Hey guys, this is Jarrett, the occupational therapist. I was given this product to review for this video, and this is absolutely a great tool. This is something that we use a lot in practice as therapists. So it comes with the sock aid right here, and then it comes with a elongated dressing stick and or elongated long handle shoehorn that can be taken apart and to be put into different pieces. So now all together, this is about 35 inches long, so really long. So if you are unable to bend a long distance, this will really help you for getting your socks and shoes on and off. So with the sock aid itself, this is the first piece of equipment. This is kind of half of a piece of a PVC pipe. On the back here, you're going to find this soft foam-like material, and this is to help guide the sock or help keep the sock on the tool as you're using it. So what you'll do is you'll take your sock and you'll put it right on the device here, and you'll pull it down, being careful not to allow the sock to go over the knots here. You want the sock to end right here. Next, you'll grab the handles here, which they have really thick foam handles, so that way it's easier to grab onto because they are so thick, and they're also very comfortable because they are really soft and like a foam. And then you throw this down on the ground, or if you're laying down on the couch, you can always throw this over here and then point your foot in the device and then pull it down with the handles. This will allow the sock to go right on, and what gives it that friction there, allow it to glide up, is that foam piece right here. Now if I was to do this on the ground too as well, you would once again just put this on like this. This would be here, and it would easily go on your foot. So you can do this in a bunch of different positions. You can do this in a chair, on the couch, in a bunch of different spots, regardless of where you're at. So this is a great piece of equipment, and it's really light and easy to take with you on the go. Now, this piece right here is also really nice. I really like the fact that you can take it apart, but then also you can still use it while it's separated. So this is just a regular shoehorn right here as it is. So you can use this to help put your shoes on while they're on the ground just normally. Then you also have on the back side of this here, you have a little hook. So let's say you couldn't get your socks off. You could always use that hook to pull your sock right off. When you put this together now, the other pieces here, you have the middle piece, which will make it really long, and then you have this hook handle as well. This hook handle can also be used to assist with getting your socks off and or getting your shoes off as well too. So to get your shoe off with this, you'll see that you can take this side here, push down, and your shoe will come right off. The benefit of this one in particular is that you don't have to have this in this fully elongated position. You could always just put it together like this. So you have the two pieces, and then you can just do everything that you need to do. Or you could easily take that off, pop this on, and then have the full 35 inches to do everything that you need to with this device. So once again, it's plastic, it's durable, it's easy to take with you, this whole kit. This is great for someone that is maybe post-op, maybe post-knee replacement, hip replacement, maybe someone that has other medical conditions as well, but very small, easy to take with you. This is something that we use a lot in practice, and I really like the fact that it comes in a kit all together, so you can do everything all at once. So I would definitely say check this out.